Howdy, howdy everybody. So it is still, God, I'm too fat. It is still whatever day it was yesterday, which is my today. It is still Tuesday. She putting some stuff in the back seat. We had to wash them Reselling shirts, and it is still Tuesday, and we on the phone here because my GoPro died. I got 2 batteries, but my other battery's at the shop, and y'all look at this. Let's see if he can recognize his own packaging. If you know who you are, you know, you may not even know I ordered that. But we gonna open it up when we get over here at the building and get started on some more stuff. We starting Wednesday's video on Tuesday, which is today, which is yesterday for you, and it's gonna air on tomorrow for me, which is today for you.
That ain't confusing.
Oh, what'd that guy just say? I don't know. So, it is hot, buddy. Hot. She just got done cutting the grass. Bless her heart. But
It's hot outside.
we gonna get over here. I'm gonna switch back to the GoPro, and we'll get back with y'all here in a minute. Alrighty. So, I snuck on to a guy's store and I bought me something because I thought it was cool, and I'm gonna put it up here on my shelf, and I'm gonna show y'all what it is. He may have known I bought it, I don't know. So, it's packaged well. This is like eBay Anonymous. They don't know who bought it, and then I inspect the package to see how good of a job they actually do. See that?
Or maybe they knew who you were, so they packed it well, so you would think.
So, let's see what we got here. Okay, he knew it was us. Darn. He says, "Hello, Colton and Courtney and kiddos. I was surprised to see your name in this item sold. Thank you so much for the sale and the business. I hope you both are safe and well. Kim and I truly enjoy watching your videos. We are hoping that after all this sea stuff is over, Kim and I can travel around and do some sourcing trips. Perhaps in the future we can stop by and visit y'all." Roy is who this is from, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you, over at RK Treasure Center, and it would mean the world to us if you come over this way. You stop on by, you're always welcome here. We'll cook some dinner or something, take you out to eat, I don't know. Hang out though, y'all come on. I truly enjoy that little warehouse of yours, and hopefully one day when you grow big, we can watch you move into a much larger one to hold the millions of dollars worth of merchandise. Think big. Thanks again, brother. You're friends. Check that out. Now, that's the awesomest thing I've seen. And then he sent us some. Yeah, he knew who he was. Listen, Roy over at RK Treasure Center. I'm gonna link his channel down in the description, and you'll probably see a picture pop up right here. I know you will, because I'm gonna put it there. And that's his logo. That guy, he's an awesome guy. Him and Kim, they're out in Texas, and he finds all kinds of cool stuff, sells on eBay. And we got, look at this, we got some stickers.
Well, there's a glare on it anyway.
All kind of stickers. Y'all ready to see what I ordered from Roy? So Roy, great YouTuber, and he's one of the people when I first started YouTube. I watched, even before I started doing the YouTube, I was watching him, and he's one of the ones that actually made me want to start doing YouTube, because Roy's a genuine guy.
Just use the knife.
And you can tell. Get off my finger.
Use the knife.
To cut my finger off? And you can tell by watching Roy that he's a real genuine, honest guy. And that's the kind of videos I like to see in YouTube. I don't want to see somebody putting on a show being fake, saying I sold $10 million worth of merchandise, and they had $11 million into it. But Roy is straightforward with you. He'll show you his good buys, his bad buys. If he makes mistakes, he owns up to them. So I encourage y'all to go over to Roy's channel if you haven't already and subscribe to him. And like you won't be disappointed with it. But check this out, buddy. Look at that bullet. It's a drinking cup.
I thought it was a thermos.
What's a thermos drinking cup type deal? See, that opens it up there. You can put coffee in there, a sweet tea, whatever you want to put in it. See that? Tumbler. And I stalk a bunch of people's stores, and Roy's one of them. And he just had listed this thing. I said, my goodness, what a bullet. I said, I got to have me that. So I bought it, and we're going to put it right up here on the shelf so everybody can see it. Just like that, because if you're a redneck, you got to have a big bullet cup. So yeah, Roy did an amazing job packing this. Kind of blows me away. And I thank you for it, Roy. And like I say, all you folks that's over there that ain't, here's his card, that ain't subscribed to him, go over on YouTube and you can follow my link down below, RK Treasure Center, okay? And thank you, Roy. Be safe. And him and Kim's just a blessing. So y'all go over there and check them out.
You can put them cards with our other ones.
Yeah, we're gonna put this stuff over here. I'm making this right here. My card wall. See, we got Revs here. We got Froggy Flips here. We got Commonwealth Picker here and Garage Flips here. And Roy, we're gonna put you right there next to Commonwealth, and I'm gonna tape this right in the center here, because I mean that note right there, that means a lot to me. If we're ever out in Texas, we'll come see you too. Thanks again, Roy. Alrighty, so we got all our laundry here cleaned, our wrestling shirts. Got my little Dare Tiger shirt washed here, so we can put that back on him, because he's naked wherever he's at. Lord, I don't even know. There he is. So we got to get him dressed and listed. Alrighty, good morning everybody. Today is Wednesday, May the 13th. It's the next morning. Y'all check this out. Buddy, we got a whole table full of creepy. My wife, Courtney, she's loving this. We got to clean them still. I mean, they're all tethered and kind of rough looking, but we're going to clean them up and sell them. I think I'm going to go with this one for the box. I mean, he just screams I'm creepy. Habeo, I think's what that says on his button. But I think we're going to use him for the box. More than likely, because he seems to be a pretty good fit. And I think he's the creepiest one so far I got. Look at this thing.
They're all creepy.
But he is dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. That one's my favorite. That's a little dirty boy. So that's our clowns we got to do something with. Got to list them 2 shirts. Still, we listed one of them yesterday. And my numbers, they ain't good. So yesterday I got 5 done. So that puts us at, let's see, that's 15, 21, 47, 59. So we're at 59 listings so far for the week. Just today's left to get 105. So that means I'd have to list 46.
Not impossible.
No. Yeah. No. I don't know how many I'd have to list. A lot.
It's not an overextended amount, but
it's a lot. Been slacking. If we can get these cleaned up today, these will all be easy listers. It'll just be do the first one, sell similar, sell similar, sell similar, sell similar, all the way down. And we'll see. Some of them just too rough, like that guy. He may go in the garbage. I don't know. We may clean him, take his clothes off. I don't know. We got some orders going out today, so let's jump in and get them things pulled for you guys and gals to see. So the first thing we got to go to is in D1, and it's 7 Disney cars. So let's walk over here to D1. Right here. So these are just 7 Disney Pixar cars, just random ones. And these sold for $11.05 plus shipping. Now we got to get a hat. Right here. This is a reef, hook, line, and barrel hat. Y'all can see that there. And this ended up selling for $12.25 plus shipping. Now we got to go to M2 to grab 2 Realtree crib sets. So these 2 are some Realtree, just a 2-piece sheet set. See them there and there. And these sold for $23.92 plus shipping. Best of spinners. What does it look like? That's what we got to find. Y'all see it in there? I see it. Right here it is. This is a sealed cassette tape, best of spinners. And this sold for $8.75 plus shipping. Now we got to go to right here. This is a Bizarro DC Multiverse figure. I think it's, I'm not sure, it's a Walgreens exclusive. I don't remember. When these first hit, buddy, they were going for good money last year. Picked these up at Walgreens. And this was my last one, straggler. Didn't get out quick enough. This one sold for $26.87 free shipping. That's our orders for today. We got to get in here and get this stuff packed up. Start on the clowns. Hopefully I got a deal coming up for a bunch of video games. I'm waiting on the guy to send me a message back or something off of Craigslist. Got a bunch of Wii's, Nintendo's, Sega's, games. I don't know what all he got. Xboxes. And so as soon as he sends me a message back, hopefully we can meet up with him and get some good stuff. But until he texts us, I guess we're going to be in here working. So she's over there terrified.
I just don't do clowns.
Hiding behind the desk so she can't see the clowns. That's the reason she didn't help me pull these orders.
You got them sprawled out across the store.
Alrighty, guys and gals. So we got the call. We over here with the old Kmart building parking lot waiting to meet up with this guy. I'm not sure if we're going to buy it all. I don't know how much he wants. I guess we'll do the negotiating or whatever when he gets here. I don't know how good the stuff is though.
Probably take a lot of cleaning.
But we waiting on him. He said 11:30. It is currently 11:33.
People always give you time and they don't always do.
And then I got a text message that says I'm 10 minutes out. If you tell somebody a time, you should be there 10 minutes early. So we sitting here waiting. So Jennifer asked a question of how we say, do you want to? And we don't say it, do you want to? Well, sometimes we do. But most times, but
really.
If we say it in a sentence, we kind of run it together. So instead of do you want to, we say you want to.
You want to?
You want to? So however that is, just you want to. Do you want to?
You want to?
Mm.
Run it together, smash it together, and say it real fast.
You want to?
You want to?
I don't know how we talk half the time. Half the time I say stuff I don't even know what I'm saying. But hopefully this guy will be over here soon. I do want to let y'all know, if you haven't subscribed to Roy at Arcade Treasure Center, that link's going to be down below. Make sure y'all go over there and check out his channel. Show him some love, him and Miss Kim. I got something coming, I think, here soon from Mr. Johnny over at Cajun Roots Reseller as well. I got me one of them remote control helicopters.
Disaster waiting to happen.
and a watch. But the remote control helicopter, heck yeah, we're gonna be flying that thing in and out the shelves in the building.
Disaster waiting to happen.
I don't know if it'll pick up my GoPro, like if I tape the GoPro to it, if I can fly with it, it may be too heavy. I don't know. We're gonna try it.
Don't bring that thing out.
Got my box. I'm gonna go back after we pick this stuff up and start on it. I decided to go with this clown. And I gotta put the latch back on it, and I'm gonna kind of spray paint it some funky looking, like nasty looking colors.
Just put him in the
Run
back
some
seat.
wax on it. And I don't know what I'm gonna put around him, like for the bed. And I gotta tether him up and burn his face or something. I don't know.
God, you're going creepy.
And then I'm gonna post it up on the eBays for $150.
Can you close him and put the clown away?
So that's the plan with that. I got pictures of some socks to list still. I got some up so far. I think I got about 10 done so far, but he just pulled in. So I appreciate y'all watching, and we will see you guys and gals tomorrow. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. So yeah,
We'll
I'm gonna
see
get
y'all
out and go
tomorrow.
do this deal.
Bye, y'all.